Okay, so this is really cool. We just checked into the Monterey Plaza Spa and Hotel for our little girls' getaway. And upon check-in, they gave us each a glass of wine, and then they also gave us a full extra bottle of Pinot Noir for later. So far, this place here is checking out. It's quite amazing. It's beautiful inside. While I'm waiting for the others, I can give you, here we are in the lobby. We're just grabbing our stuff for our spa appointment since the room's not quite yet ready. So they got a beautiful tree back there when you come in. And then over here you have the check-in desk. But check out this view. Guys, we are right on the ocean here. Try to get a little closer so you can actually see. Yeah, we are right on the ocean. This is gonna be beautiful. All right, have a great day, everyone. Okay, here we are at the Monterey Bay Plaza Hotel and Spa. We just got back from the spa. Had an amazing time there, highly recommend it. They have the best spa tables I've ever been on. They are adjusting. Instead of putting rolls and everything, the table itself moves. So here is our room. This is a Harbor Bay view room. You'll see the view here shortly. But you know me, always start with the bathroom since it's right by the door. There's my robe from the spa, really nice robes. And then of course the shower. Shower is super important to all of us. You want to have the space, you want to have a nice shower head. Everything here is really, really nice. Another mirror to get ready in front of. And we got our 2 queen beds because there is 3 of us here this time. So get some extra space. You have your coffee maker. And here you have your fridge. Let's see. Oh, decent sized fridge. Shelves there are pretty shallow, but that is decent size. You can at least fit some drinks in there, some wine, some bubbly. Oh, there's your coffee cups. Awesome, we got some water. It's always nice when they supply water. Not every place does. Okay, oops, sorry, that was probably really loud. All right, so this is the Harbor Bay view. As you can tell, beautiful. Got our nice little patio here. We got the view of the ocean. Again, this is Monterey Bay. And then down there, that is the Schooner's restaurant on site. Very delicious. A little water fountain there, and yeah, right off of Cannery Row, perfect location. It's all about the location, right guys? Okay, so this is the lounge as you're waiting for your spa service. Very nice with the water and tea and snacks. Alright, this is the nice outdoor area right outside the spa, so it's part of your spa service that you can come and enjoy. And there are hot tubs, but I'm not going to include them because there's people in the hot tubs. Beautiful sunrise from our room today. Totally worth getting the harbor view upgrade.